So hey there, I'm welcome back again on this channel, and you saw I'm facing some problems while installing, but now you can see all changes were applied successfully and this is done. So I'm going to discuss about the mistake I have done. So let me close this tab. As I have installed it successfully, so I need to close it. I did all packages there, and there I marked for installation is this. So you need to jump on basic setup, and then you have to mark on all of them, then you need to installation and apply changes. And after the installation was done, all these boxes were in changing color. So all set, and now you need to close this tab. Okay, let me close everything. Now you have to open your this PC, and inside OS and Mingw, here the bin. Finally you have got all the data. So you have to copy the path, Ctrl C. Now you have to paste it on your environment variable. Here you can select right click and go to properties, and this page open. Now you have to open in advanced system setting. Now environmental variables, wait, let me pause this video.